Want to change the screen color on your Canon camera? The default display might be hard to see or not suitable to your style, but most users don't know it's easy to adjust. In this video, I'll show you how to change the screen color on your Canon camera. Let's do it right now. First, turn on your camera. After that, press the menu button. Then go to the wrench 3-dot tab from the top. Now here you will see the screen color option. Select the option. Press the set button. Here you will get 5 more options. Now, just scroll down and explore the variations of colors. Here you can see the preview of color variations. Select one of them and then press the set button to save it. And that's all. This is how you can change the screen color on your Canon camera. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.